Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to activate Monzo debit or credit card on app. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Monzo mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, on the home page you are going to see this type of card tab in the bottom. So you need to tap on card and then you will be landed on this activate card page. Now over here you will be able to see your debit or your credit card and its detail, and right next to it you are going to see the option of activate manually instead. So over here you will have to tap on this option and then you need to follow further on screen instructions in order to manually activate your card. Once this step is done, you will be able to see this prompt which says your card is now activated and it is ready to use. So this is how you can easily activate your Monzo debit or credit card on the app. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.